Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from at right around the 69-cent mark. And after today's price movement, the price broke down below it, which brings about our first update. And this update is just a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going forward, if there is any, bounces back to the upside, you would expect that to act as resistance. And it's actually already played out. So a couple times this afternoon, the price tried to get back above the 69-cent mark and couldn't quite do it, which makes sense. So I'm not saying it can't get can't get back up above there or anything like that. I'm just saying it does make sense. Why? Because it was a very evident area of support, and that's just kind of like I said, foundational rules in charting there. If the price can push back up through the 69-cent mark, next key overarching level would be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time plays out, that line will move itself lower and lower. But as of right now, top priority is just simply getting above 69, and then you can turn your attention more so towards the 50-period moving average right there. What about levels of support? Well, I talked about this level in yesterday's video, or maybe it was a video a couple of days ago. I don't quite remember. But point being, 65 cents now is definitely becoming quite a bit of ways in play. And that level is coming from being a previous breakout point from way back here in late July. So, and that's just, again, a foundational rule when levels of resistance are broken. So right there, I think we'd all agree that was a very firm area of resistance, but it was broken right there. You expect them and you want to see them act as support. So while there is no such thing as a guarantee, so I can't say that the price is for sure headed down to 65 cents. There just aren't any other technical areas of support until there. So that's why, it's not exactly a shocking or gutsy call on my part to say that the price could very well be headed to 65. In the event 65 cents does not quite hold up, then the next level of support after that would be down there at the 63-cent mark. So 65 and then 63. Or 62 right around there, or so let's see. Yeah, 62 actually. But 65, 62 going to be those next couple areas of support. But so far, the price is trying to consolidate up there around that area. But we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, the pullback continues. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.